Children
of God, wherever you are, I greet you.
Ineno matini maputpia wadonyo ijiri maleng meneno duchu.
Today, before we could enter to the Word of God,
Amero one wilobu duch waripe ilega mekumu madit.
I would like to ask everyone, wherever you are,
Waripe lega mekumu madit.
you join us together because you have lost someone very important.
Kitbachalo kumbete wunu wilobu duchu kwena obutu ni chakela wo ni wadwenyo la tien mamewa maena ye la dit matelo la wi malubo ko la telwi police ma Uganda Gen Lukech ma wadwenyo kome la wo.
As you may be aware, yesterday we lost somebody very important, Deputy GIP of Uganda, General Paul Lukech.
Mirwa wache wadwenyo tuan pa chuli.
We have lost a hero to Acholi.
Wadwenyo tuan pa Uganda.
We have lost a very important hero.
Wadwenyo tuan pa Africa.
We have lost an hero for Africa.
Wadwenyo tuan pa Wilobo.
A hero of the world.
Peman
For this matter,
mini wa dakira manok wek wakum ka chel wabiling pe dakira manok wek wakum ka chel kilupajo me otto ka chel ki Wilobo ducho.
may we pay moment of silence for a minute on that note.
Walegi rod luba po petich matek malatini mayinikero eni kom cheli ki kome chi mine tuero riego tego diro tek chwin ki kero mayini miyo ki en pe konyo loteno me Acholi loteno me Uganda loteno me Africa loteno me Wilobo makombetini dong wadwenyo en Lubanga po pitiche ma eno tiupi pe konyo gina kera ni ducho magiti Wilobo. Lubanga po pere kai karaman watiki kumu pere yewe gari pe kwetwa ikumu. Ini ngeu kabiru ma ini kwanyo ngara chel ki Wilobo kany chido ichwalo en ye. Ket en kabiru ne kikome ma ini yobo pere winywa man inyinguri Yesu Kristo rotwa.
Amen.
Amen. Wek wakwan gina choya kwena wamekumu ma wakwanyo ki book me noyo check.
Let's take our reading from Exodus, from Deuteronomy.
Meno kwena mekumu wa.
That is our message. Condolence.
Noyo chik shura piara dek yang wen.
Deuteronomy chapter 34. From verses 5.
No, we are what ni topa Moses.
Topa Moses man nyurati kamaleng ni Wilobo kany kere ka berutiki Dano mapere tek. Mauno itamu ne umior peo ki Wilobo. Kit pachalo yang Moses uberu Dano mapere tek dada bod jo Israel. Mauti utik matek mau kwanyo geo ni aki lo me Egypt ki tuang tau madon malu ba oberu ka tiune ka wang jone.
The headings talk about deaths of Moses, the death of Moses, and also it symbolizes that he has done a lot, as Moses did, by taking children of God through to the promised land.
Tio oi karma dong lu ba no ni umiere pok eno kilwake.
It reached a time when God decided to separate Moses from his people.
Moses lubao poho en kilwake.
God decided to separate Moses from the children of God.
Let's listen
how it reads.
Tiambi wala ni Moses latis parwot oto kit meno ki lobo mob. Kit mayam ruor wajoni. Ruot uyire ki kuno inota ma lobo mob ma okemo bet poa. Ento petie dano mo ma ong'eyo kabedo ma uyire iye ni owa onyo. Moses ono mwaka medite romo 120 ka oto. Uno wae pe ya ocho. Kikome bene uno putek. Jo Israel gukoko Moses ki ilobo aro me mop. Pindieno 30 sidong kare me koko kikumu pi Moses otum wako.
Meno aye kit macharo oteka pa jo Israel. Moses Lubanga kwanye kwere.
That was how Moses was taken by God.
Kiwajuni karma ki kwanyo Moses no Moses put kome tek.
When God was taking Moses, he was still strong.
Why put nen maling kuna dong tiki mwaka 120. Why ling mape wauto.
Moses was 120 years, but he could still see it very clearly.
Ento Lubanga kwanye.
But God decided to take him.
Dano beru ki kumu pe neno 30.
People actually mourning for over 30 days.
Kun giyenyo tiento pa Moses.
They were looking for reason what could have taken Moses, what could have killed him.
No muneko Moses, but Moses no put kome tek.
Moses was still very strong, could even see what could have killed him.
Tu beno no pe Dano pe neno Moses pe buru pe.
He was not even sick. He was not even lying down.
Eto winye dong ni Moses dong pere.
They just had Moses not there. Moses is dead.
Neto pe unge tiantore.
Nobody knew what had caused the death of Moses.
Neto pe romo teto tianto pa Moses.
Nobody can even explain.
Neto pe romo teto tuure.
Nobody can explain actually the sickness.
Eto kit macharo luba kere. Ayetimo postmortem.
Since it is only God who actually conduct postmortem,
Elio tim postmortem me con Moses.
God carried postmortem on Moses.
Neyo mo muneko Moses.
He's aware of what had caused the death of Moses.
Eto pe utero Dano.
But he did not tell the people of Israel.
Pe man bene wilobo yana wan watini ngara chele tikito.
For this matter, each one of us who is living on this earth, you will have to die.
Ikino kene Dano twero kwetu ko toni ngaigeo.
Sometimes people could investigate what could have killed you, but they will fail.
Ento Lubanga you.
But God knows.
Lubanga you tiantone.
God knows.
Petito mo makwalo dana kwala kibod Lubanga. Ma Lubanga penge you tiane.
There is nothing that can happen without God knowing.
Kini ka gina kera pa Lubanga. Ayo kelu to ikumi. Lubanga you
The presence of
tiane.
God has caused the death. God knew.
Momio.
That is why
Awachi to piro mo kwalu dana kwala kibod Lubanga.
death cannot steal people from God.
Dano twero kwalu la wore eto kibod Lubanga no pegi kwalo.
Somebody can kidnap somebody, but not from God.
Eno mio, ikarma kain o kwalo Abel kibod lunyuru o kwalo lunyuru penge kama ko cherie.
That's why when Cain actually stole Abel from the parents,
Ginma yero chero timo ikom Abel lunyuru bere penge yo.
what he did to Abel, the parent did not even know.
Eto Lubanga yo.
But God knew.
Lubanga yo. Lubanga neno.
God saw it.
Egino mio eno chako pinyo Cain.
That's why he started asking Cain,
Ne Cain. Umeru si kwere.
that Cain, where is your brother?
Pera winyo. Ka remune. Koki ngoma maro remune. Winye bora.
Because his blood is crying to me from the land where you killed him.
Manyura tini. Cain. Buala. Peu kwalo. Abela kwala kiboluba.
Meaning Cain just deceived himself.
Pe man.
For this matter,
Wakumu. Pe omenwa. wakumu pila ditwa
We mourn our hero,
ento Lubanga
but God knows
ngwamu kelu toy ko
what could have caused the death of.
mere kwera me kumu waeno
That is our message.